Hello everyone, Ash Ketchum here. There's this weird thing with the snow. You see it like moving on the road. I mean, what the heck is going on with that? I mean, like that's some weird stuff right there. Like you can literally see the snow moving on the ground. Hey, shoot! Sorry. Oh, bless. Sorry. So, yeah, that's something weird about the snow for you. I wonder what it's for. Like, I know it's just snow blowing across the road, but still. Well, everyone, this is the end of this video. So sorry for such a short video, but yeah. Snow.